السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
مرحبا بكم في قناة Arabia Egyptian. Welcome to Arabia Egyptian channel. Arabic alphabet course. Let's have some quick information about this program. The present course aims to help you learn to pronounce the sounds of Arabic and write its letters, and to begin speaking Arabic. Course objectives. By the end of this alphabet course, you will, inshallah, master the Arabic alphabets and sound system, recognize and correctly pronounce the Arabic sounds, write accurately from dictation, read and comprehend simple print texts on familiar topics, be able to use basic expressions in Arabic, and you will get a certificate if you succeed in the final exam of the course. Course contents. Lesson 1 will give you an overview of Arabic language. Lessons 2 through 25 will introduce you to the letters, sounds, and symbols that make up the Arabic writing system. In addition, this course will introduce and help you master over 200 words of basic vocabulary, including important expressions for polite interaction with the speakers of Arabic. Before moving on, please download, print out, or view the accompanying PDF activity file link that we will do together in this video. Now let's start our first lesson, which is an overview of Arabic language and alphabets. What shall we have in this video? In this video, we will cover two main points: a general view of the Arabic alphabet, and 3 out of 4 special characteristics of Arabic script. Arabic letters and sounds. The Arabic alphabet contains 28 letters, including consonants and long vowels. Let's have a general look at the alphabet chart and practice our first listening activity. This chart shows the 28 letters of Arabic. Starting in the upper right hand corner, the chart reads across from right to left, which is the direction Arabic is written and read. Now listen to the name of each letter and repeat. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Va, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Waw, Ya. These were the names of the letters. Later we will practice each letter's sound separately. You will find a link to this chart below this video to practice at your pace and repeat as many times as you can. Something you may notice in this chart that there are some letters share the same body shape, but they differ in the number, place, and absence or presence of dots. Let us see some examples. These three letters read from right to left. B, T, Th have the same body shape that looks like a boat. They differ in the number and place of dots. Also, these three letters read from right to left. Jim, Ha, Ha have the same body shape that looks like a jar, but they differ in the absence or presence of the dot and its place. So, as you can see, there are about 8 groups of 2 letters in Arabic which share their body shape. Arabic alphabets also contain 14 symbols that function as short vowels or pronunciation markers or as markers of certain grammatical functions. Arabic diacritics and symbols. This chart shows the 14 extra alphabetical symbols and their names. They include the short vowels, pronunciation symbols, grammatical endings, spelling variants, and a consonant that, for historical reasons, is not represented in the alphabet chart. These symbols will be introduced in lessons 2 through 25 along with the alphabet. Now listen to the names of these symbols and repeat. فتحة, ضمة, كسرة, تنوين الفتح, تنوين الضم, تنوين الكسر, سكون, شدة, وصلة, ألف مكسورة, ألف ممدودة, دجر ألف, تاء مربوطة, همزة. After we have an overview of the Arabic alphabets, let's now know some special characteristics of the Arabic script. The Arabic alphabet and writing system has 4 major characteristics that distinguish it from its European counterparts. In this video, we will cover only 3 of them, and the 4th will be covered in the following video. Number 1. Arabic is written and read from right to left. One consequence of this directionality is that Arabic books, newspapers, and magazines are opened and read in the opposite direction from European and American printed materials. Number 2. Letters of Arabic are connected in both print and script, unlike those of Latin alphabet, which are connected only in script. Let's see an example here. The following individual letters are written one after the other. However, even though these letters occur in the correct combination and order, they do not form a word when they are written this way. When they are connected, however, they do spell a word, which is al-bab. Notice that not all the letters in al-bab connect to the following letter. This is a characteristic of certain letters that you will master as you learn to write. Now let's see if you can identify the non-connecting letters in the following words. But before we move on, please download, print out, or check the PDF file link below this video to do the activity together. Circle non-connecting letters. This word is لذيذ. لذيذ. Which of the letters in this word is a non-connecting letter? Excellent choice. If you choose this letter as a non-connecting letter, so you are correct. This letter is dal. السودان. السودان. Can you guess how many non-connecting letters in this word? Excellent. There are actually three non-connecting letters. Let's see, where are they? There are three non-connecting letters in this word. This waw, and this dal, and this alif. As you can see, the alif is repeated twice in this word. Asad. Asad. Excellent. The alif, the first alif, because it is not connected to the following letter. Zar'a. Zar'a. How many non-connecting letters in this word? Good. We have only two letters that are non-connecting letters. The first one, which is day. The second one, which is ra. Excellent. Orz. Orz. How many letters do we have here that are non-connecting? Of course, it is clear here that the first letter and the second letter are non-connecting letters. They are alif and ra. Jara. Jara. Which of these letters are non-connecting? Excellent. This letter in the middle position, the ra. Here we have a word consists of 4 letters. Now, how many non-connecting letters do we have in this word? Excellent guessing. There are only 3 letters that we know up till now. The first one, which is waw, the second one which is ra, and the third one, which is alif. حصان. حصان. How many non-connecting letters in this word? Excellent. It is only one letter, which is the alif here. Now we come to the last word we have here. حوت. حوت. How many non-connecting letters in this word? Excellent. It is only one non-connecting letter, which is in the middle. This is the waw. Okay, in your sheet you will find 2 or 3 more words. Try to make it yourself and send us your answers. We can notice now from this activity that there are letters which connect to the following letters and there are letters which do not connect to the following letters. As you learn the alphabet, note which letters connect and which do not. When you write words, it is important not to lift the pen or pencil from the page until you get to a natural break. It's a non-connecting letter. Watch me while I'm writing this word. The third characteristic of Arabic script is that letters have slightly different shapes depending on where they occur in a word. The alphabet chart we covered in this lesson gives the forms of the letters when they are written independently. However, these forms vary when the letters are written in initial, medial, or final position of a word. The initial position of a word means that the letter is not connected to a previous letter. Let us see this word as an example. Latif. It means nice. The first letter is lam, and it is in the initial position. A medial position indicates that the letter is between two other letters. We have this word as an example. Talab. It means a request. Here, the lam letter is in the middle position. A final position means that the letter is connected to the preceding letter. Most letters have a particularly distinct shape when they occur in the final position in Arabic, similar to the way English uses initial uppercase letters for words that begin sentences. The example here is Jamil, which means beautiful. The lam here comes in the final position. This chart gives you an idea of the extent of this variation. You will see that each letter retains a basic shape throughout, which is the core of the letter. If the letter has a dot, the number and position also remain the same. You can see here that the last three letters, which all connect, appear to have a tail in their independent and final forms that drops off when they are connected and is replaced by a connecting segment that rests on the line. Look in this chart for the core shape of each letter, its dots, if any, the connecting segments, and the final tail of each letter. Now let's wrap up what we have covered in this video. In this video we learned that 1. Alphabets of Arabic are 28 letters containing consonants and long vowels. 2. Arabic also contains 14 symbols, short vowels, and pronunciation or grammatical markers. 3. Arabic is written and read from right to left. 4. Arabic letters are connected in print and script. 5. Arabic letters are two types, connecting letters and non-connecting letters. 6. Letters of Arabic have different shapes depending on their position in the word. Now we come to homework. Please follow the link below and do the activity to check what you have perceived. We've reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and find it useful. We'll be happy to have your comments, suggestions, or questions in the video comments space or by email. Also join our Facebook group for more discussions. Inshallah, the following video will be published soon, so keep alert. مع السلامة. Goodbye.